Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the phone, a Google account, and Wi-Fi. First, confirm your Vivo model and Android build so features match. Once ready, plug in or ensure battery above 20%. Low power can block setup. Now go to Settings and find Google or System right arrow Voice Assistant. Tap to open the Assistant page and choose Set up Voice Access. You're starting the process now, so keep the phone unlocked and follow prompts that appear on screen. Once the Assistant page is open, grant microphone and notification permissions so it can listen and respond. Make sure you allow background access if prompted, because limiting permissions stops hands-free use. Then follow the voice training. Speak 3 to 5 clear phrases when prompted so the assistant learns your voice. Next, select your language and enable the wake word option. These steps tune responsiveness and privacy. Make adjustments if performance seems. You're almost done. Run 3 quick tests, say the wake word, ask a simple question, and request an action like setting a timer. If responses fail, enable lock screen access and check Do Not Disturb blocking. Make sure battery optimization is off for the Assistant app, otherwise background listening may stop. If issues persist, restart the phone and redo the voice training. One key tip: if the assistant won't hear you, clear app cache or regrant microphone permission and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.